Have you ever wondered what the voices of famous historical figures such as Queen Victoria or Thomas Edison actually sounded like? Well, in this video we're taking a trip through time to hear the earliest recordings of iconic people from history. From kings and queens to inventors and pioneers, these voices were captured over a century ago, and today we'll be bringing them back to life. As an unqualified historian, I've done as much research as possible, so leaving a like would be much appreciated. And of course, forgive the quality of these audios, the last one of the video dates back to 163 years ago.
At Florence Nightingale's house, London, July the 30th, 1890. I hope my voice may perpetuate the great work of my dad. God bless my dear old comrades of Balaclava.
Ladies and gentlemen, I take great pleasure in introducing my latest invention, the water tortoiseshell. I am willing to forfeit the sum of $1,000 to anyone who can prove that it is possible to obtain air inside of the tortoiseshell when I'm locked up in it in the regulation manner after it has been filled with water.
Espèce de sympathie, amour, ou je sais pas, ou amitié que tant de gens me portent. J'aimerais même un bouton de porte, n'est-ce pas, un pot de chambre, n'importe quoi. C'est fait avec des intentions tellement du moment, de l'époque et de l'état dans lequel tout le monde et moi nous nous trouvons.
Das Schönste ist es für mich, der ich weiß, dass dieses wunderbare Regiment des deutschen Volkes und unserer Bewegung meinen Namen trägt. Halt!
Collège américain de radiologie et de la Société américaine de radiologie pour le témoignage d'estime qu'elle m'a apporté ici et auquel je suis extrêmement sensible.
Merci beaucoup, madame.
Electric power is everywhere present in unlimited quantities and can drive the world's machinery without the need of coal, oil, gas, or any other fuel.
Das deutsche Volk. Seit der Reichsgründung ist es durch 43 Jahre mein und meiner Vorfahren heißes Bemühen gewesen, der Welt den Frieden zu erhalten und im Frieden unsere kraftvolle Entwicklung zu fördern.
Well, it feels very fine to be 84 years of age if you don't have anything the matter with you. Well, I have a little trouble now and then, but that's because I'm getting old. But I'm not a ginger yet. But I think of the talking picture.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I never heard one.
What do you think of the Einstein theory, Mr. Edison?
I don't think anything of Einstein's theory because I can't understand it.
Hear my heart. Alexander Graham Bell. Hear my heart. Alexander Graham Bell.
Is there any way out of this impasse created by man himself? All of us, and particularly those who are responsible for the attitude of the US and the USSR, should realize that we may have vanquished an external enemy, but have been incapable of getting rid of the mentality created by war. It is impossible to achieve peace as long as every single action is taken with a possible future conflict in view.
Антисемитизмом называется распространение вражды к евреям. Когда проклятая царская монархия доживала свое последнее время, она старалась натравить темных рабочих и крестьян на евреев. Царская полиция в союзе с помещиками и капиталистами устраивала еврейские погромы. Ненависть измученных нуждой рабочих и крестьян помещики и капиталисты старались направить на евреев. И в других странах приходится видеть нередко
the great fundamental issue now before our people can be stated briefly. It is, are the American people fit to govern themselves, to rule themselves, to control themselves? I believe they are. My opponents do not. I believe in the right of the people to rule. I believe that the majority of the plain people of the United States will, day in and day out, make fewer mistakes in governing themselves than any smaller class or body of men, no matter what their training, will make in trying to govern.
Because it is such a highly cooperative enterprise, this award is not given to an individual. It goes to a sound recording department. Those nominated are All About Eve, 20th Century Fox; Cinderella, Walt Disney Productions, RKO Radio; Louisa, Universal International; our very own Samuel Goldwyn Productions, RKO Radio; and Trio, J. Arthur Rank, Sydney Box, Paramount British. The envelope, please. The winner, All About Eve.
These are days when many are discouraged. In the 93 years of my life, depressions have come and gone. Prosperity has always returned and will again. And now on this my birthday, I desire to reaffirm my belief in the fundamental principles upon which this country was founded: liberty, unselfish devotion to the common good, and belief in God.
President of the United States, I was present at the first Pan-American Congress in Washington, D.C. I believe that with God's help, our two countries shall continue to live side by side in peace and prosperity. Benjamin Harrison.